Alright, so hey guys, it's G, welcome back to a vlog. Now today is going to be, I'm like kind of nervous, I'm kind of excited. I'm really nervous because it's going to be quite a big change, but I'm really excited to see if I suit it. Like, I really hope I love it because there's no kind of turning back from this. So I'm actually pre-recording this bit, but if you're wondering why I'm wearing something different from the next clip, it's because I'm actually filming this the day before, because I'm going tomorrow, but I won't have time to film just because I've got other things on. In literally the next clip, which will be tomorrow for me, but in the next clip, I am going to be going to the hairdressers and getting my hair done. Now, this is kind of a big change because not only am I changing the length, I'm also could be possibly changing something else, and I'm really nervous, but it's been something that I've been wanting to do for ages, and I've got a backup plan if I don't like it. So if I don't like it, I can get rid of it ASAP, but I'm really I'm nervous and excited, but yeah, I'm going to get my hair done. I'm getting it done by Jess, who we all know is my ride or die hairdresser. I absolutely love her. Let's go and give myself an autumn hair transformation, which I can't believe I'm doing this, but let's go. Oh my god. And then that bit's like really flat. That's like really quite greeny.
Yeah, I think it's just because all the blue.
Yeah.
You just expect it to go bright orange.
Yeah. I'm glad it's not.
Yeah.
Because I was expecting bright, fire red or something. I'm like, oh. Right, so this is the big hair reveal. And I'm not gonna kid you, I was pooing myself in the hairdressers. I was like, oh my god, is this the right thing? Are people gonna hate it? Because I know you guys are very torn between blonde and black hair. And I get it, like, I get people love me blonde, and I get some people love me with black hair. However, for me personally, blonde is something I will never go back to. This is the most I will go. And my plan was to go lighter at the front. When we were doing it, during the process, Jess was bleaching my front bits. My hair took to the bleach really well, and it didn't go orange, which we did not expect. Normally when you're dyeing over blue black, especially black dark hair, you're more likely to go bright orange because that's what happens when you bleach black hair. And I don't know how, but my hair ended up turning into this, which is this beautiful like mocha. My mum kept saying I reminded her of a coffee because of the colours, like the black and the lighter bits at the front. So it took, like, I think a few little tries with the bleach, and then we washed it off, and then we put a toner on it. We had to warm it up at the roots, and then we also had to, like, add a bit more warmth towards the end. But because we were chopping it, all the ends that went really ashy, we ended up cutting anyway, so it was perfect. But the fact that I've now gone from black hair, long hair, and then just gone for like a full-on chop with the front bits was such a huge change, and I was so terrified. I was scared to announce it on social media because I didn't know how you guys were going to take it. That was like a big worry of mine, and already on Instagram people have been so lovely. I've been dropping like a few sneak peeks of my hair, and everyone in my messages have been like the most loveliest I could ever want of my followers. So thank you guys for being so lovely about my hair. It's a big change and I get it. Not everyone is going to like this, but for me, I honestly feel like this is my hair. It's me in a hair. Like, I feel like it's quirky, it's fun, it's not boring. Like, if I went all black, I think it wouldn't have been as much of a different change, but because we're going to go into autumn, and also as well, I just feel like I've been black for over a year now. I felt like it was time to maybe switch it up because I wear so many black outfits like I am now. I feel like my hair is more of a thing that I'd want to stand out more than anything else. And I do feel like my hair does make me look older because, you know, you're not going to see a young child with blonde bits at the front. So I feel like this is the best decision because it's made me look even more older. I feel like the cut as well has made me look older. It is such a big thing to do, but yeah, it's taken me like a day or two to kind of get used to the length, and actually hair makes me want to get ready, and as weird as that sounds, that's a great feeling. Like, sometimes I don't want to get ready, and I think that was what was happening with my long hair. It was getting really annoying. I was getting sick of it. I was just like, it's too long. And yes, I did leave it long on purpose for the summer so I could really enjoy it, but I think there's a time in your life where you go for the chop, and this is the time of my life where I wanted to go for the full-on chop, and I couldn't, honestly, hand on heart say, be happier with my colour and the cut, and I absolutely love how it's gone. I feel like when we go back, I probably will maybe lighten this section a little bit more, but again, we're going to throw in a lot of like ashy toners on it so it doesn't go orange. I'm not a fan of the bleach blonde. I really like the nice, like, I don't know, mocha colour, I don't know what you'd call this, but I feel like this definitely suits my hair because obviously the colour behind it is my normal blue black, so it's hard to pair blonde with blue black, but this turned out perfect, and yeah, I am so happy. I actually didn't tell you guys this, but I actually didn't tell my mum and dad that I was doing this. Mum and dad knew that I was cutting my hair, and my dad kept going, do it, like, cut it, just go for it, you'll love it. And then when I came back the other night, because I was in the hairdressers for a few hours, it was quite a long time. However, I came back and my mum and dad freaking loved it. Like, that reaction, I wish I got it on camera, but the reaction of my mum and dad was the best reaction ever. My mum loved it. My dad's reaction was the best. I'm not even gonna lie to you. My dad was like, I love it. Like, he kept saying he loved the front bits, and he said that it makes me look a bit more like, I don't know, edgy and fun, and my outfits look a bit more different now and not so plain and black, which is obviously very me. Makes me look a bit more interesting, and I guess it does suit my style a lot more. Yesterday I was going out with my mum, and I put on like some kind of jumpsuit on. It was like a dark brown jumpsuit, and my mum was like, oh my god, you can see your body. And like the fact that she said that, I know it sounds really weird, but my mum was like, oh my god, like look at your body, like you look tiny but you also look bigger, like not in that way, but you look longer as well, because my hair was covering up so much of my body. It was hiding me as a person. It was kind of overpowering me, and it was almost like I was becoming mostly hair rather than a body. So it was so lovely for my mum to even say that, you know, oh my god, like look at you as a person. Like, so I can't wait to produce so many pictures, like badass pictures of my outfits. I feel like my pictures are going to look way more, I don't know, fun and better looking instead of it just being quite monochrome. I think this has definitely switched it up. Again, I'm going to say a huge thanks to Jess for doing this. She is the queen of all hair, like colours, and the fact she did this on me and it turned out like this the first time is incredible. She really was excited to do this. I was excited, and again, like, you put 100% of your trust in your hairdresser. That is when you create something you love. I really don't have any words, but yeah, I'm happy. I have no idea how to style. Like, obviously this is my first time of styling shorter hair, and I've already got like one updo in mind, and obviously these front bits are new, so it's also involving them. Short hairstyles vid, I don't know, would you want to see that? Definitely let me know what you think in the comments. Please keep it positive, no hate. I'd really appreciate it if it was just all love in the comments. YouTube has not been the best place at the minute, so if you guys could send me some love and a bit more positivity and not negativity, that would be great. But yeah, I do hope you love my hair as much as I do, and I'm going to love you and leave you, and I'll see you in the next video.